So people keep asking me, when will Cardano reach its all-time high again? Let's dig in. So we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is down 1.34% at the time of recording and now stands at $1.63 trillion. With Bitcoin down 1.22% in the past 24 hours, but still up 7.07% in the last 7 days, standing at a whopping 42,719.26. So look, we said to expect a volatile market this week, and I think that what we are seeing is that transpire. So just be mindful if you're trading to trade with good risk management. But let's get into everything that we want to cover off today. We've got Bitcoin heads for its 5th consecutive month green candle amid roller coaster market conditions. So look, I think this is really positive. I think this is a sign of, what we are looking for when it comes to adoption, everything with the Bitcoin ETFs. I think this is great to see, but I do expect a crash when the Fed pivots. So I just want to be sort of mindful of that. A lot of people are not taking into consideration the property market, and everything's really overheated, so just be mindful of that. Moving on, and we've got BlackRock and Fidelity spot Bitcoin ETFs close in on grayscale in daily trading volume. So this is great to see, and look, there's been a bit of selling when it comes to grayscale. This is mainly because we've seen a slowdown in money going into the Bitcoin spot ETFs. Last time I checked, $3.1 billion locked in the Bitcoin spot ETFs across all the different companies that are actually doing the Bitcoin spot ETFs. So this is really important. And why is it important? It's important because we're seeing this being locked away and taken off the market. That supply and demand aspect of Bitcoin is being really tested at the moment, with over 1 million Bitcoin leaving exchanges since 2020. So this stuff, really does need to be something that we pay attention to. I think that we're seeing some really big numbers being presented by people involved in hedge funds that are investing in cryptocurrency, ARK Invest, and $1 million Bitcoin price predictions and all this sort of stuff. Just would like everybody to be really ultra realistic about expectations here. Everybody was very troubled, I guess, by the predictions last bear market, bull market around Bitcoin getting to 100K from crypto influencers. But it seems that influencers, on YouTube that talk about cryptocurrency are treated very differently and are held to perhaps a higher account than some of the individuals like 𝗕𝗓𝗪 and various others coming out with this 500,000 Bitcoin price prediction, $1 million Bitcoin price predictions. They're not being held accountable for some of these, really large numbers being sort of bandied about. Maybe we'll get there, maybe we won't. Maybe the crypto influencers were right, but they were just a little bit early with the prediction. Potentially. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on that in the comments below. One thing that I would say, though, is these people are getting fees regardless of Bitcoin going up or Bitcoin going down. It's in their interest to get you involved in their ETFs and their hedge funds. We've got Grayscale Crypto Holdings up $1.2 billion since last week as Bitcoin surges. This stuff is really interesting. It's stuff that, we should be monitoring. And, for me, this is really, really interesting. Now, there are some things that I have seen today that have piqued my interest. And that is stuff like this. $30 million mansion hunt leads to $1.7 billion Bitcoin seizure. So this is the UK authorities seizing $1.7 billion in Bitcoin. We can say that's off the market now for some time. And this is all stemming from some fraudulent activity out of China, fake passports being utilized. And this arrest has come off the back of this individual, this fraudster, looking to purchase a $30 million property using Bitcoin. And yeah, really interesting. But why am I highlighting this? Because I've also seen that German police have seized $2.1 billion worth of Bitcoin in a privacy sting. Again, this is, one of the suspects has voluntarily given up the $2.1 billion worth of Bitcoin to the Federal Criminal Police Office. Again, 50,000 Bitcoin. Again, we can say that this is off the market for some time, right? So there is a dynamic going on here that I think people should be aware of. There is a lot of this Bitcoin being taken out of the market, and that is not going to be, spent. And look, I don't know if the authorities are just getting their acts sorted out, or whether there's a real appetite for, the governments, the authorities to get hold of this asset because it's going to become even more valuable. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. We've got Thailand SEC breaks new ground in 2024 with crypto-friendly rules. Retail investors can now invest without limits in digital tokens backed by real estate or infrastructure. So really positive stuff. I might actually go spend some time in Thailand this year, maybe next year as well. Really interested to get your views and opinions. One on Thailand. What's it like? If you're living out in Thailand, let me know. Where should I be looking to perhaps lay my hat or whatever the term is in Thailand? Really interested to get your views and opinions on that. And how do you feel about the rules changing in Thailand when it comes to crypto? It seems like it's a real positive move. We've got George Osborne joins Coinbase crypto firm facing US court fight. Again, Coinbase are getting everything in place, everything in order. Love to see this. We got drama at Solana. Creation of new corporate entity raises questions of decentralization theater. And what I would say with this is Solana was saying it was decentralized when it wasn't decentralized. That was removed from their website. It was false advertising, in my opinion. But look, I think that this is interesting. I think that there's a lot of corporate investment, big money, whales invested in Solana. And, I do think that it is just a game. But at the end of the day, I think it is going to do really well as a project because of the people that are invested in it. So, yeah, look, interesting stuff. We've got the main part of this video that I wanted to cover off, projected timeline for Cardano to retest $3.10 is revealed by ChatGPT, and it isn't going to be in 2024 according to ChatGPT, if I can get my words out. And look, it's really interesting. There is a very small chance that it will be fulfilled in the next 6 to 12 months. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on whether Cardano can achieve its all-time high this bull run in 2024. So we're talking about the next 12 months. Do you see Cardano reaching its all-time high in the next 12 months? Let me know in the comments below your thoughts and what your price predictions are for Cardano and why. Really interested to get those views and opinions. And if you want to find out more about what's going on in crypto space, check out this video. Definitely worth a watch. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.